By Notata na Mantova Kona Poto, Igbo Social Club Mantova Italy. Odogubiko Kiyade Tugi.
Well, Afambo regional dot Nakachpo Dionye, probably known as Vaughn's film industry here in Italy, and again the president of Association of Nigerian Movie Directors in Diaspora. Well, today I don't know. It's a memorable day in the history of the Igbos in Mantova.
In Mantova.
Yes.
So, how do people prepare for today and to welcome the guests and every other people that is coming from different parts of Europe?
Well,
really prepared for people?
To the highest level, we really prepared very well, and we are calling people to come and see that there is this club called Igbo Social Club in Mantova. We are well prepared for them.
So your position here in this club is a president or vice president?
I am the vice president of this club. Yes.
Yes. So for how long will this club now have existed in this Mantova?
Well, this club has been in existence since 2018. Since 2018, yes.
And according to what I can see in the motto here is Brothers Forever.
Yes.
So indeed, you guys are showing the brotherly love here in this city of Mantova.
Yes. Our motto is Brothers Forever because we are brothers united. We really unite ourselves, and anything that is one brother is suffering is what another person is suffering. So that is why we say brothers forever, because we are ready to help any of our members in any difficulty he might be facing.
Including work, when it comes to work in this very city?
Very, very well. We ask them, we have given so many work to people in our club who are jobless. Yes, we have been offering them. If you are complaining in the club that you don't have work, we must make sure in the next 1 week you get a work.
So can you just throw a little bit of advantage of joining or belonging to a very social club like this? Because I can see that a lot of people here that are looking more healthy. Can you tell us the advantage?
Yeah, the advantage is very, very numerous, because why I say that numerous is that in the first place, when you are in difficulty, Igbo Social Club must make sure that we fight any difficulties, even document issue, work issue. Scott, they mention it. Hence, you are a member of this club. We must make sure that we face your problem, because your problem is our own problem as well.
Yeah. Indeed. So, but this club now, are they still welcoming people? Are they still, admitting people into the club, or have you concluded that you're not going to take people anymore?
No. For this year, we have closed the book because
for the
year because about 3 people joined this year. So next year we have to open book again for newcomers to come and register, because next year we have to share forms and invite people to come and buy our form. When you buy the form, you go and fill it, and they look what is required to be a member of this club. Okay. Then when you produce them, we accept you.
Okay, but second to the last, but this club now, is it for only people that live in this Mantova, or people that live anywhere in Italy here, or any other part of Europe?
Yeah, we said it is people living in Mantova and its environs. Environs could be maybe there is somebody that come from Lord some time ago. We didn't admitted him but due to long distance, and he was complaining about his job again. He lost job within that period. We said, okay, can you change direction so that when you come to Mantova, we can look for a job for you here? He said no, due to he has a family there. So that whenever he fixed himself, that he will come and join us.
Okay, the last one now, but this club, is this only for men alone? Because I know there's some women who can like to join men's club, because I have already seen such a thing somewhere when I went for a program. So is it for men alone?
Yeah, actually it is for men alone. Actually it's for men alone. Strong men, yes, strong men.
All right, thank you so much. So what is your name again?
I'm Regional Nakachpo Dionye, known as Vaughn's film industry.
He film industry also?
Yeah, sure.
So we'll come about that one later.
It's okay.
Thank you very much so much.
God bless you.
Thank you.